Hello guys, in this video we will make another smart contract which is crowdfunding. The basic scene of this where user come and make a camping. After creation a camping, he will able the other user able to donate some fund. Okay, and there is a four function. One for create camping, second for donator list, and third for donations, and fourth for list of camping, and five the last one is donation. Okay, so let's create it. Write pragma solidity. So implement the license and now use pragma, this one pragma, and pass the version is 0.8.9 or it above. Okay, now write the contract, and the contract name is crowdfunding. Okay, and this we will pass the construct function, construct, and construct we give the name is camping. Okay, and the camping has string, has title, string has description, string has image, u in 256 target, and addresses owner, and donator, it is an array donators, and you and also an array, here we pass donations. Okay, that's enough. Now create a function, create camping. So let's function camping, it's public and returns index uint 256. Now right here now pass some argument, string memory title, right here underscore string memory underscore description, string memory underscore image. We will pass your image URL, but when you connected this to the front end, then we will pass save the image URL here. Now in testing we will save some random text, underscore target address underscore owner. That's enough. Now check the require. If underscore target is equal to, first you will camping storage has camping equal to, and right here a one mapping function has mapping is uint 256 has camping public campings. Okay, now write this world is here and pass the id uint 256 underscore id, but no need to pass it here. I left something here, write uint 256 this one, and write number of camping equal to, by default it's 0, so pass this is here. That's enough. Now write here camping dot target. What's the issue? Not a unit. Sorry. And write here target as reached. Okay. Built-in binary operator cannot be applied to the event. Great. Format not a format. Okay. Now use camping dot title equal to underscore title. Save many time. Use description. Use image. Use target, and use owner underscore target. It is uint. Sorry, uint 250. Okay, the camping and campings, and now update this thing, this plus plus, and return number of camping. Okay, now what's the issue? Declaration storage campings. What's the issue? Okay, so these two names are same, so we changed. Now the problem is solved. Now this function for create camping. The second function is for donation. Function donation has uint256 underscore id, and payable. This one is payable, and no, nothing to return. What's the error? No visibility between interior public, and it will be public. Okay. Now what we do? Now we need to make a donation. So for donation, we will do same thing. Copy this here. Pass here this ID. That's good. Now add camping dot address dot push msd dot sender. Who sended the money or who's make a donations? So it is a donator, sorry, not addresses. And same per donation. And donation we will pass here message dot value. And it is donations. Donation 6. The push not we convert this to array, the networking. Now it proper. Now this is done. Now what we do, we will use bool and send. Check the condition if the payment successfully or not. So right here camping dot owner, because we send it to owner, and in call function we will pass value has amount. Where is the amount? This one, msg dot value, and we will pass his empty string. And also do one thing, pass here empty this. Now check if absent. So we forget one variable here, unt 256 total. Copy this and pass here camping dot this equal to copy equal to plus msg dot value. That's perfect. This is done. Now get listed of donators function. Donators equal donators has uint id 256 belong to the which campaign has how many donation. At view returns you return, so donators address, this is donators, okay, address and array and memory. That's perfect. Now what did you instead of public? Okay. Now return campings underscore id dot donators, okay, and the same for the donation, copy and paste it down. Donation, and right here donation and un 256 because you are storing integer values. Now compile successfully. Now let's deploy it. It deployed successfully. Now add your camping. Here will your string, my title, my description, image URL, and target has 3 billion view, and the address will send to this address. We will send to this address. This is created. Now camping pass 0. It show all the camping. Its total amount is 0. Now let's do donate. For donation we will pass the ID and the value. We will use a V converter. So let converting V to ether, how many it's become? As these V to convert to this ether. So let paste it here. Okay. Now make a transaction successfully. Let's see the user receive these ethers. Okay. So now get the donators. Pass 0 and click. It is donations and pass 0. Click. This is the donator address. Who donate this? So let deploy this on a MetaMask. So this is my MetaMask has two account. One has 0.1 Sifulia and the second one has 0.3391 Sifulia. Now I deploy a smart contract from this address. So let's connect MetaMask. It's connecting. So our MetaMask is connected successfully. So this is our MetaMask. Now compile it. It's compiled successfully. Now deploy. The pop-up will be appear this and confirm. So our smart contract will be deployed in a shortly. So it take a little bit time. Now copy this address. We will transfer money to this address because this is the owner of the campaign. So let come here and first we will put the address, then the target has 2 billions and image has URL. This is description and this is our title. Okay, create. Now it's creating. Confirm. Smart contract create successfully, and we will transfer the ether from to this account has D7F and this is D7F. Now it transaction is pending. Wait a minute, is successfully. Now donate some V. It is 0. I will show you. Click on camping. These are the data which I enter, and the money is transferred to this. So let 0 and pass here some. These is we will pass here 3. So we will pass here 1. 1 is enough. Kafi and put here. Now click on sorry. Now click on the transaction. It's pending. Click on confirm. When it's success, we will check our this. Go to an Etherscan and the transaction is indexed is pending from to this address. It's successfully. Now check your MetaMask account. This is 222 and this one is 0.101 ETH because we transfer 0.001 ETH. Our smart contract is working properly. Now list of donations. This is the donation and list of donator. Pass 0 and click again. Spending. Wait a minute. So all the donator address will be listed here. So this is our donator list. So this is our smart contract for crowdfunding. If you like this, so please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon that never miss latest update. So next video we will make another smart contract which is very awesome. Thank you.